Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, Pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: Gold dollar, Dollar yen, Dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack this Friday. Gold is currently sitting right at $4,115, and the overall bias heading into New York is moderately bearish. The structure tells a clear story. Since failing above $4,192 on Monday, price has been grinding lower through a series of declining highs: $4,148, then $4,144, then $4,130, now $4,121. That staircase pattern on the hourly is hard to ignore. Adding to the bearish case, the H for EMA 20 and EMA 50 have converged tightly around $4,116 to $4,118, sitting just fractionally above current price and acting as dynamic resistance. When price is struggling to hold above that EMA cluster, it's rarely a good sign for the bulls. On the fundamental side, the only scheduled US event today is the Fed Monetary Policy Report at 11 a.m. Eastern, which is rated low impact, so don't expect a major volatility spike from that alone. That said, any hawkish undertones in the language could reinforce dollar strength, which historically weighs on gold. So heading into the session, the 2 levels worth watching closely are the overhead resistance zone between $4,130 and $4,148, that's the ceiling that's repeatedly capped recoveries, and the structural floor down at $4,032 to $4,050. Everything in between is the battleground. Stay patient, stay observant. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 5.5 and 1.1 for 6.4. Support is marked between 1.1 for 2 and 1.1 for 3.1. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3 for 5.1 and 1.3 for 5.8. Support is marked between 1.3395 and 1.3404. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 162.05 and 162.2. Support is marked between 161.28 and 161.42. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 0.5792 and 0.5794. Support is marked between 0.5759 and 0.5761. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.417 and 1.4175. Support is marked between 1.413 and 1.4138. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.8 and 218.01. Support is marked between 216.7 and 216.94. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.